In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a meeting in Outlook, whether you're dealing with a scheduling conflict or simply need to cancel an upcoming meeting. Knowing how to perform this task is essential for efficient time management. Let's get started with the step-by-step process. First, open your web browser and head over to the Microsoft Outlook page. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Give that a click, and it's time to enter your login credentials on the Sign In page. Be sure to carefully type in your email and password, and then click Next to proceed. You'll be taken directly into your Outlook dashboard. From this main page, you'll want to navigate to the top left corner where you should see an icon or text for the calendar. Click on Calendar to open up your schedule, where you can manage all your meetings and events. Once your calendar is open, the next step is to locate the specific meeting or event that you need to cancel. Take a moment to browse through the calendar entries and click on the one you wish to remove. This action will open up a detailed view of the event. From this detailed event page, you'll find an option to delete the meeting. Simply look for a delete button or link, which is typically quite noticeable on the interface. Click on it to initiate the cancellation process. If there's anything within the meeting details that you need to adjust or update before you cancel, Outlook also gives you the option to edit the event. This means you can modify the meeting details or send a brief note to attendees, explaining the reason for cancellation if you feel it's necessary. Once any edits are made, you can proceed to delete the meeting as planned. And there you have it, you've successfully canceled a meeting in Outlook. This process should ensure that all invited attendees are aware of the cancellation, as Outlook will typically send them an automated notification indicating that the meeting has been removed from everyone's calendars. Whether you're managing your own time or arranging group meetings, this straightforward method can really help reduce any scheduling headaches. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more content for additional tips and tricks on mastering Microsoft Outlook and other productivity tools.